Now we're going to look at setting up the machine-to-machine or machine link feature for the GeoLink Sprayer. We're going to go to the settings menu. Then within the settings, we're going to go to System, Features, Implement. Machine link is an implement feature because it is sharing the spray coverage from the sprayer portion of the vehicle. And we're going to hit Enable. Now that has turned the machine link feature on. Once we've done that, we'll go back to our main menu, and we now need to add a couple map layers. So we will go here, and once we've selected our map layers, we're going to look and I guess make sure they were already turned on in this instance, but make sure that remote machines and shared coverage are both on.
See the two machines.
Yep. Now, as you can see, the two machines have been synced up. You can see the one with sprayers over there. The sprayer's right here, and they are ready to spray with shared spray coverage.